Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you